Hi, I'm Jim Johnston with McElroy Manufacturing. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer. I've been with Plastic Pipe Institute, I guess probably 10 years now. And to look around here tonight and see the number of people that we have, and especially the new people that have joined the organization. I think the first year that I came, the new members was in the low teens, and today it's above 60. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to see that kind of growth here in the organization and continue to push HDPE and plastic piping systems and polyamides and polypropylenes and see all the opportunities we have for moving this industry forward. So I'm super excited both for this industry, for this organization, and for the opportunities of all those folks that are here.